I believe that sidewalks are sacred, yes, and that we need to create technology that interacts with people in the best way as possible. My name is Felipe. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Kiwi. In Kiwi, we build robots for last mile delivery. Right now, we are the company that have delivered more meals with robots in the world, and the only one doing it at scale. We are based in Berkeley, and we have delivered more than 10,000 orders so far in the last months. We started with one robot going from the restaurant to the customer house, and we found out pretty easy and pretty fast that that was pretty inefficient. Like, restaurants tend to be clustered, and as soon as you send a robot from the restaurant to the customer house, like the second or the third order arrived late, and we created a multimodal system. So we actually have 3 robots. We have a robot inside the restaurant. We also have a semi-autonomous tricycle that goes in the streets. Right now we have humans driving them, and we have the Kiwi bots. So our operations work like this. We have robots deployed in the city, like depending on the demand of the zones, and then with the trikes, we pick up orders, we pick up dozens of meals from restaurants, and then we load the robots, and the robots make the last 300 meters. So we actually divided the logistics, and right now it works. The technology is based mainly in cameras. So our main sensor are cameras. So we don't use LiDARs, or we don't use like high-end sensors, and that have allowed us to like go beyond, to move in a safer path, in our opinion. So right now our solution is like humans plus robots. So with that we can actually offer like a more affordable delivery cost for the society, and make sure that like these delivery companies and that society can order food delivery like in a sustainable way. So the robots, for example, if we are going to start to have more orders in a specific zone, the robots can move to that zone, and depending on the demand, like we try to optimize every time the trike route. Yes, so like the robots will try always to make sure the trike route is as fast as possible. One of the concerns right now that we have in the space is what is that point where automation doesn't make sense. Right now, having humans plus robots makes sense. As soon as we start to we are pretty sure that we can automate things, we will do it. But by now we are using both.